Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Better Call Paul. My name is Vivek Kaur and we are learning Python with MySQL database connection. Welcome back to our Python MySQL playlist. In today's video, we are going to learn one of the most important concepts, select and getting the data from the database. Until now, we have seen how to create databases, insert records, but real value comes when the end users are able to retrieve the data, they able to see the data, they able to use the data. So this topic is very useful because it allows us to display data to the users, generate reports, perform analysis, and most importantly, make decisions. Once you understand how to fetch the data, you can build your dashboards, applications, and much more. So let's get started and we will explore how to retrieve data using Python and MySQL. Now in this MySQL workbench, we will use SQL queries to retrieve the data, to read the data, to select the data. Okay. Then I will use select everything from this table, residence table. Before this query, you have to select your database. Double click the database, so it will be bold, and then you can use tables from that particular database. Okay, residence, and we will run the query. Then you can see the data. You have retrieved the data. You have open up the data and see the data. You are able to see the data by using this query. Okay, this star means everything from the table, all the columns, all the rows present in that column. But if I want to see only names of that particular table, then what we do, we change the query, select name from residence, and we hit enter. Then we see only names. If we change it to age, then we will only see the age. Okay, the same thing we will do with the help of Python now. So let's move into VS Code, and we will check whether we fetch our data from Python or not. So I have opened the VS Code terminal. Our previous lecture was up to this code line. Uh, Before we started, see, there is no my virtual environment is not activated. So you can see here at the bottom, uh, my virtual environment is there. I will double click it, and I will select this because this is my virtual environment. I will select this and I will delete this terminal. I again open the terminal, and you can see my virtual environment will be created. Till it created, I will delete this query because we have to write down another query. Okay, you can see this virtual environment is created. Now I will write down the query language. You see we have created this object, my cursor is equals to mydb dot cursor. Now you're using this my cursor object and using a method called execute, we will execute the SQL queries inside Python. So let's start. My cursor, one second, my cursor dot execute here in the double parenthesis. I will write down the query, select everything from residence. Our table name is residence, and after that I will create another object, my output. My output will be equal to, oh, one second, output will be equal to my cursor dot fetch all. See, in this my cursor we have to use this method fetch all or fetch one. If we select this fetch all, then we will see all the rows present in that table, or whatever presented, means it is used for fetching all the rows, fetching all the data. And if we use fetch one, then we will see only one line. We will see only first line we will see from the database. These are very important because let's say if you have billions of rows, millions of rows, if you are working in Google, Microsoft, Amazon, they have multiple users have multiple accounts, there are multiple data sets, so it is a tremendously big amount of data, millions, billions of rows are there. And if you use this query select everything from residents, then it is not feasible for the system to every time fetch all the data. So, and if you want to show only one particular row, then we have to use this fetch one. And if your data set is small and you want to see all the data, then you have to use fetch all query. So fetch all and double tuple. After that, for row in my result, sorry, my output colon, then print row. We have to save the code. This is very important because many times we don't save the code and just run the code. So we should have to, then there will be error like, or there will be no output. Now we will see whether we get the output or get error. Python app.py, hit enter. We will wait for some time and we will see all the output from this table. Yes, you can see the output we are able to see. It is exactly same as we get it from MySQL workbench, like from residence table. Select everything from residence table. See, the same output we are able to get it here also. Okay, if we change this star to name and we just run our code. Oh, first of all you have to save the code, then python app.py, this is capital. Okay, then we will see only names. Let's wait. Yes, you can see only names are there. I will just make it larger. Now you can see after running this query, you will see only names of the table, names column of the table. If we change it to age, again save it, copy this line, paste it, hit enter, then you will see only age column, data present under the age column. This is how you can retrieve your data. You can see your data, your MySQL data via Python language. So that's it for today's video. We have seen the basic core concept. We have seen the fundamentals, how we can retrieve the data by using Python language, how we can retrieve the data, how we can see the data by using Python language, how we can connect this Python to MySQL and see the data. So thank you very much. I hope this session helped you clearly understand how to select and fetch data from MySQL database using Python language. Step by step, we are building a real world database skills together. Also, I have provided complete code in my GitHub repository. You can find the link in the description box below this video. So feel free to check it and practice. In the next video, we will learn how to use where command to filter and retrieve only specific data. This is a very important skill for real applications. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.
Subscribe to my channel.